All right, we have a example here with two parallel lines and a transversal. So I'm going to go ahead and indicate the parallels. So it says I and K are parallel. So this one and this one create parallel lines. So I'm going to have a lot of matching angles on this one. So I'm going to go ahead and fill in the information that they have. They said the measure of angle 1 is 42. So this one is 42. And then it says find the measure of angle 7. So 1 is the information that I have. 7 is the information that I'm looking for. So the main thing that you need to do here is think about what types of angles are these. So right off the bat, you can tell they're on the outside of the parallel line. So they are exterior. Also, another thing that you can tell, I drew a yellow line in there for the transversal. They are on opposite side. So they are alternate exterior angles. And when you have alternate angles, whether they're on the inside or the outside, they are equal. So since 1 equals 42, 7 also has to be 42. Let's take a look at this next one. We have a street and they are parallel. So this, oops, let me get a color here. This line and this line are parallel to each other with the transversal running across. Okay, it says angle 3 is 62 degrees, so 3 is 62. I want to know how much angle 4 is. So those are my two angles that I'm focusing on. One that I have information for and the other one that I don't. They're either going to be matching or they're going to add to 180, and we have to figure out which one that is. They are on the outside of the parallel, so that's another exterior one. And they are on opposite ends of your transversal. One's on one side, one's on the other. So we have alternate again, exterior angles. So if 3 is 62, that means 4 also has to be 62. Let's see if there's another one down here. Perfect. All right, use the figure to find the value of the indicated variable. Ooh, this one is a really good one because instead we're using equations. So let's go ahead and take a look. 3 is 4x plus 7. And 6 is 5x minus 13. So instead of us just getting to know what angle measures they are, we have to decide how to set them up. Once again, they're either equal or they add to 180. So this angle and this angle. They are on opposite sides of the transversal, so they are alternate, and they're on the inside of the parallel, so they are interior, which means that this equation and this equation are the same. They're equal to each other. So we're going to go ahead and find what x is based off of that. So I'm going to set up 4x plus 7 equals 5x minus 13. And then just solving from there. Subtract the 4x. Add the 13. X equals 20. And there we go. So if I wanted to go back through and figure out how much degrees that would be, I would just have to plug that 20 in. So it looks like, I think it should be 87.